My testosterone level is 1,132 nanograms per deciliter. That is a high testosterone level according to Derek from More Plates, More Dates.
So the amount of people that actually produce, even over 900 is extremely low, but over 1,000, it's almost like barely anyone. It'd be interesting to see some more of these, to be honest. Like, I kind of want to dig into this a bit more. I might do more videos on it, but so few individuals produce over 1,000. Like, I thought there'd be more than that. I thought it wasn't, for a healthy young man, I didn't think it was that uncommon, but it turns out it's like, you're an elite outlier if you have more than 1,000 nanograms naturally.
So basically I got my testosterone checked just out of interest. Usually doctors look at me like, why do you want to get that done? But interesting to him, it came back abnormally high. Rather than worry about the word abnormal, I was more looking at it like I got top marks in an exam. Just looking at this dumb article where they don't say men and women, they say people with penises. They associate higher levels of testosterone with hair loss, acne,
deepened voice,
more body hair.
And I don't have any of those things.
Go away, fly, or I'll kill your whole family. I don't have any mood swings and stuff either. So it seems that rather than it be a destructively high testosterone level, it's just high. So this is natural light. I don't have a pump, I'm cold, but I think it's good light. What I think I would be missing that would be a hallmark of steroids would be size, like density of the muscle. I think there's muscle there. I just think it's not that huge muscle. To me, I want excessive medial delts, like an anime character. I like Juji's medial delts. But yeah, there's nothing like outrageous here. I train all the time, so of course I'm gonna have somewhat of a physique. So the question now is, what likely led to getting these results? And is this something that we can replicate together and all have high test as we skip down the street and stop at people? Let's think about this first possibility, which is tainted supplements. Yes, we have to go there. Whether it is intentional or unintentional, this could be happening because they want people to have great results on their supplements, or unintentional, and there's cross-contamination at the factory where they're being made. I'd love to know if you guys have any stories or opinions on how likely that would be. Second thing is, this could just be a one-off. This whole video is based on this one shining moment I had when my testosterone peaked through the roof. It's just one test. I'm booked to go back in 3 months to get the testosterone checked again. I don't think there's any need to, really. My testosterone in the past, like I said, having checked it 3 times now, it's been 26.5, 30, and now it's 39.3. So it has always been up the higher end. And then lastly, which is the one that we unfortunately cannot adjust, would be genetics. So is this just a normal thing? Is mine normally just that much higher? Saying that though, I don't think it's like abnormally high. Like,
He may as well be on steroids.
it's just hot, abnormally higher than the normal range. I mean, I don't have a donkey dick, so I may as well have high testosterone then, yes? And talking about steroids, I've never spoken about it on this channel before, but being into health and fitness, there's definitely an allure to know how great your physical capabilities could be if you were to do something unnatural, but that allure has always faded away when I start to think about the long-term health implications of doing that. And if you guys do want to see a conversation about steroids in calisthenics, I did a bodyweight roundtable podcast with the Bodyweight Warrior, Joshua Naderman, the Mindful Mover, and Yard Muhammad and myself, which I will link here. Go to the 35-minute, 35-second mark to see us chat about steroids, PEDs in the calisthenics community.